I'm super stoked right now, like really stoked. This week we broke ground on my new workshop. We're not building it underground or anything, this is just the first step of the process. We have to dig a big pit, at least 4 feet deep, move all the dirt to another area of the yard, and then bring it all right back, compacting it in layers along the way. It's taken us over a year to get to this point of starting construction, just because there's been a ton of hoops to jump through along the way. Right when we thought we'd break ground, there was some new obscure requirement that we had to complete. But we're past the planning process, and we're well on our way to getting this thing built. This whole building will be 900 square feet. The first third will be a guest house, and the rest will be a workshop for me that will measure 20 feet wide by 30 feet long. It'll open to the back, so I'll have even more room to build if needed. There's a pretty good slope here with this giant mound of dirt. I can't resist. First try, got it. Wasn't first try. Third try. Oh yeah. I'm not sure how I want to show the process of this thing being built, but I do want to document it well. I'll be showing much more day-to-day updates on Instagram, so if you want to stay up to date, you can follow me along there. I hope that the building process goes quickly and smoothly so I can get back to building marble machines and stuff like that. I've got a huge list of ideas of things I want to build, so when the shop is up and running, it's go time. Okay, that's it for now. See ya.